Hey, calling all asset managers, bank managers, and so forth. I am your go-to REO guy in the beautiful, sunny Southwest Florida. We're standing in Fort Myers today. This is a condo behind me that we just went back to the plaintiff. So we've gone in, we've done some work, we've done some cleanup on it. We're going to be marketing. We're going to put it on the market here this week. We didn't do a whole lot to it because the budget didn't allow, but we did put an AC in it. And we did some cleanup on it. So I handled everything. This is what I do for my customers that give me their assignments to sell. So if you'd like more information, just wait till the end. I'll tell you everything that I can do for you. All right, let's go ahead and take a look. So here we are walking in. We did get some quotes on stuff. Like I said, the company I'm with, they had a budget on it. We didn't put a whole lot more into it, but it could use some flooring, updating. It is an older unit, so it could use updating. Bathrooms, new vanity, toilet, shower seems to be okay. Could use some interior paint. There's one bedroom. We did put a new air conditioner in it, so you don't have to worry about that. It's 2024. Water heater was newer, so we didn't do anything with that. Utility room, washer and dryer. Here's the master bedroom. And then you have the master bath. They can use a vanity. Maybe a new shower if you want to, but that shower seems to be okay. So there it is. If you have assignments in the Southwest Florida area, cities of Fort Myers, Cape Coral, Bonita Springs, Estero, Lehigh Acres, Naples, Marco Island, or even Port Charlotte, Punta Gorda, I'm your REO guy. I can help you out with them. I just go through, I take care of these things like they're my own, and we get them liquidated and we get them sold. So if you have any assignments you would like me to help you check out or get started for you, give me a call, shoot me a text, 239-233-4060, Jim Neal with Epic Realty, or you can shoot me an email at reo@jimdneal.com. All right, look forward to work with you.